Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to our next lesson for the Arabic alphabet. And this is lesson 5. It's been a while, but Alhamdulillah I'm back. In this lesson we're going to learn about huruf lean, letters of lean, letters that are left when a certain situation comes up when you're supposed to read it softly and quickly. Let's just read it over. When waw sakin, number one, there are two rules. Waw sakin, before it a fatha. So basically right here you have your waw sakin, and before the waw sakin you have a fatha, or ya sakin, before it a fatha. Right here, ya sakin, before it a fatha. In these two situations, these letters are pronounced quickly in a soft tone. One should refrain from reading it in a passive voice, meaning don't stale it. Don't just say ow, ow, or bow. Put quickly in a soft tone. So let's say we're gonna start off with, it should be read in an active voice. So let's say alif fatha, basically a hamza, waw sakin after that. So it's ow. So that's hamza, waw fatha, and then you have ba fatha followed by waw sakin. It'll be read as bow, active voice. Taw, thou, jaw, how, how, daw. Next, thou, row, zow, sow, show, sow, thow, tow. Then you have though, ow, wow, fow, qow, cow, low, mow. Then last line, now, wow, how, ow, yow. So you're not prolonging anything, or you're not reading it slowly. You're supposed to read it fast in a soft voice, active voice. Exercise, mashq, practice. So it'll be, again, I told you guys before, basically in the initial stages you should always pronounce it with the complete diacritics, alif fatha, and then waw sakin, aw, and then you could break it apart to aw and then fa kasra, fi, aw fi. Hawla, sawmu, sawfa. Then next line, kawthara, sharawhu, ya qawmi. So here I think I made a little mistake, so it's not going to be a delay. Ya qaw, I read it, I prolonged it a little bit. It shouldn't be like that, so it'll be ya qawmi maw'udatu. So let's see if you guys can remember some of the rules right here. Ya, that's a standing fatha, so it'll be one prolongation of alif. So ya will be ya qawmi, and then here you have inverted dhamma. That's also one alif length prolongation here. So maw'udatu, here maw'udatu. So there's a prolongation on that hamza. Okay, next page. Now you have ya sakin, same thing, harf lean, will be read in active voice, softly and quickly. Excuse me. This will be I, by, tai, thai, jai, hai, hoi, dai. Then you have, that's your dal, thy, roi, zai, sai, shai, soy, boy, toy. Next line, roi, ai, roi, fai, koi, kai, lai, my. Last line, nai, wai, hai, I, yai. So this one may be a little tricky. So ya followed by a ya sakin, yai. Next exercise for this, mashq. Aina. So again, when you're reading it, you should read it even when you're reading the Quran for the first few times, maybe first couple of weeks. Alif fatha or hamza fatha, let's just say, and then ya sakin, I, and then nun fatha na, aina, soifu, abawaihi, abawaihi, ya laitani. So it'll be one prolongation for the ya standing fatha, ya laitani. And then one of the rules is here that you guys learned, I think a lesson or two back, ya sakin, before that a kasra. So if you have a ya sakin before that a kasra, mad asli, then it'll be prolonged by one alif. as you learned. So in this word, we have two prolongation, one here and then one because of this combination. So it'll be read as ya laytani, two prolongations in this one word. Aw hayta, no prolongation here. Just read it harfalin, soft and quickly. Aw hayta, and then aynain. Again, harfalin, two examples right here. Ya sakin, before that a fatha, and then another ya sakin here, before that a fatha on top of the noon. So ya, aynain. La rayba. This is a lam followed by alif. Again, mad asli, alif, before that a fatha, will be one prolongation length. La rayba. And then ghayri, one prolongation, the last two letters, because ya sakin, actually, yeah, ya sakin, before that a kasra. So ghayri, right here. Baina yadayhi, no prolongation here. Yunadawna. So there's one prolongation because there's a noon fatha. After the noon fatha there's a alif. So there's a prolongation here. Yunadawna. And then hayhata, one prolongation on the ha, second ha right here. And there's a alif after this ha fatha. So that's one prolongation again. The video here is somehow inverted. This is my right hand, by the way. So hayhata. Awjasa, awjasa. Sulaymanu, Sulaymanu. So one prolongation here. This is your harfilin, ya sakin, before that a fatha. Sulaymanu. Fata'alayna. So there's one prolongation after this ain, because again mad asli. Fata'alayna. If you can read it like this, which I don't expect you guys to in the beginning, and even I have problem reading the Quran because there are lengthy words or big words and stuff like that. So just break it apart, just like in any language. So fa fatha, fa fatha fa, ta fatha ta, ain fatha followed by alif is a, fata'a, and then lam fatha la, or lam fatha followed by ya sakin, it'll be lai, nun fatha na. Layna, fata'alayna, fata'alayna. Break it apart. Then you have lesson 6. Okay, that was quick. So let's also do lesson 6 quickly. Exercise on harakat, huruf madda, and harfilin. So we're just doing basically exercise of all of previous 5 lessons in this page. So this is straight up ba fatha ba. And then ba standing kasra, standing fatha ba, and then ba harf madda, basically a ba fatha followed by empty alif, will be ba. So these two, as you guys know it, are same thing, one length of prolongation, one alif length prolongation. So ba, so this first one is ba, second one is ba, third one is ba. Again, let's go ahead this way. So fourth one, b, bow, boo, actually boo, bow. So first ba, again right here, that's your ba dhamma, regular pronunciation boo, and then ba standing or inverted dhamma will be boo, and then ba followed by waw sakin, that's a harf madda, and then the last one is harfalin. So harfalmadda, you have one prolongation, boo, and then harfalin, no prolongation. Just soft and active voice, quickly, bow. Let's go ahead with it. Ju, jau, ji, jai. Okay, so the harfalin, no prolongation, is this one and this one. The other 3 right here, they have one alif prolongation. I'm just going to go ahead quickly, and you guys could take your time and then make sure you master all of this. Do not move ahead, otherwise you're going to have problem reading the Quran. So master these small lessons. So khalaqa, idha waqaba. So because again, this is harf mad asli, harf mad actually. So the fatha followed by alif, and there will be a prolongation once again. إذا وقب وإذا قرئ. I don't remember, it's been a while if I have gone over. You're not going to read this as quriya because although it has a ya, on top of the ya there's a hamza. So whenever the hamza appears on top of a alif, waw, or ya, you read it as a. You skip this ya. If this little hamza sign was not here, then you would read it as quriya, like as in ya fatha ya. But here you'll read it as in hamza fatha or alif fatha a. So it'll be quri a. You're gonna completely disregard the ya, although the ya is there. So it's gonna be wa idha quri'a, and then wa kawa'iba, kawa'iba, and then fi jidiha, so one prolongation here on the fi, and then next prolongation on the ji, and then third prolongation on the ha. Fi jidiha, three prolongation this phrase. Fi jidiha, and then yaqulu, one prolongation here on the top wall, and then fa'aqaruha, two prolongation on this ra wall, and then ha alif. Fa'aqaruha, and then la yamutu fiha, four prolongation here, one on the lam, and then second one you have the mim, and then harf al-madda again, mim dhamma followed by waw sakin, and then ya kasra before ya sakin, before that a kasra, and then alif before that a fatha. So la yamutu fiha, four prolongation in this phrase. Lam, mim, and then fi, and then ha. Okay, and then here you'll have maribu. Actually, this is not maribu because this alif is not empty, and on top of the alif there's a standing fatha. So this is not ma. I read it, I thought I didn't see this the standing kasra and the standing fatha. I read it maribu, I thought that was a harf al-madda, but it's not. So when you have situation like this, you just read it individually. So ma fatha ma, and then alif fatha or alif standing fatha a. So ma'aribu, yawma yarawnaha. So you have a couple of harf al-lim right here, one of them, and then another one here, and then this is your harf al-madda, and then wasahibatihi, and one here, one prolongation here. So wasahibatihi, inverted kasra, makes it one alif prolongation. Dhalika, one prolongation. Faqala, one prolongation, qaf alif, and then hafidhina, one prolongation here, one prolongation here. Hafidhina. Wa utiya, again one prolongation here. Wa utiya kitabahu, one prolongation here, one prolongation here. Kitabahu, and then we have harf al-lim. Kayfa fa'ala, and then waliyadin, one prolongation here. Waliyadin. Awha laha. So one prolongation here, and then another prolongation here. Bima, one prolongation here. Yu'una, one prolongation here. Again, don't get confused. There are just so many of them, but just have the basic the rules memorized. So waw sakin, before that dhamma, one prolongation, harf al-madda. Yu'u, again same case here. Yu'una, so one prolongation here, another prolongation here. Yu'una, and then watuli, prolongation. Watuli sinina, so one prolongation here, and then si, and then min. So three prolongations. Watuli sinina. Okay, so that's lesson number
6. That was fast. Okay, so let's see if we can do a few more lessons. Maybe lesson 7. These are called tanween. Tanween basically, well, let's read it here. Two fatha. This book was, I guess, a Urdu book, so they kept on using Urdu words, but just read it with me. Two fatha, or they're called fathatain in Arabic, and then kasra, two kasra, kasratain, or dhamma, dhammatain. Two fatha, two kasra, or two dhamma, they're called tanween, and they create a noon sound, and we're going to learn that right now. So alif fathatain, an, ba fathatain, ban, ta tanween, ta fathatain, tan. You can't really say ta tanween because tanween refers to all 3 of them. So you don't really know which of the 3 diacritics is on top of it. So you gotta say fathatain or kasratain or dhammatain. So an, so just read it right here. An, ban, tan. So it's as if you're adding a noon at the end of it. You're gonna learn another form of noon, noon gunna is gonna come up. They'll have the same pronunciation, but let's just start here. An, ban, tan, than, jan, han, hon, dan, than. Then ron, zan, san, shan, fon, don, ton, ron, an, ron. So as you can see, only on alif, there's not a second alif after that, but for rest of them, there's a second alif after that. So just keep that in mind. An, ton, ron, an, ron. I don't know if I did this properly. Son, don, ton, ron, an, ron. Next, con, actually fan, con, can, lan, man, nan, wan, han, an, yan. Next, kasra time. Tanween for kasra. I'm gonna go quick. In, bin, tin, fin, jin, hin, khin, din, rin, lin. Then zin, sin, shin, sin, win, win, pin, rin, ain. Some of them are hard. Ain, rin, fin, and then pin, kin, lin, min, nin, win, hin, in, yin, again, yin, yin. Both of these are ya. And then let's do tanween for dhamma. Un, bun, tun, sun, jun, hun, khun, dun, zun, run. Next, zun, sun, shun, sun, run, dun, tun, run, 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 fun, kun, kun, lun, mun, nun, wun, wun, hun, un, yun, again, yun. So that's lesson number 7 for tanween. Lesson 8, tanween and noon sakin. Noon sakin is that noon which has a jazm or a sakin upon it. The sound of noon sakin and tanween is exactly the same. So this is what I was referring to. So here you could have bun like that, or you could have ba dhamma followed by noon sakin. So both of them, as you can see, they're gonna render the same sound. Bun and bun, same thing. Bin and bin, and then ban and ban. I don't know why there are variations of it, but we just learn the variations. So these two exist throughout the Quran. Maybe we'll later find out the purpose of them. But for the time being, let's just remember that these two are exactly the same. They make the same sound. Okay, so tan, tan. So this is tanween, and this is noon sakin or noon gunna. So tan, tan, tin, tin, tun, tun. Next, fan, fan, fin, fin, fun, fun. Next line, jan, jan, jin, Jin, Jun, Jun. Dan, Dan, Din, Din, Dun, Dun. So let's practice. Done. So now we have more stuff, more rules on our plate. So حرف المادة, and then you have تنوين فتحتين. عادا. سو حرف اللين, and then فتحتين كسرتين. سو in, سو in, سو in. So عادا, عادا. So one prolongation here, no prolongation the second letter. عادا سو in قريب. So one prolongation in the ra and ya. قريب. فمن, فمن. And then عظيم. One prolongation in the ra and ya. Ra and ya. عظيم. كن. And that's noon sakin, or the sound of noon tanween, actually kaf ضمتين. كن. مرض, مرض. رسول. One prolongation on the sin and waw. رسول. شيئا, شيئا. Then you have رشاوة, رشاوة. غاسق. One prolongation on right here, sha and shin and alif, and then you have ghain and alif. غاسق. And then hudan. Nothing for the there's nothing. There's nothing on the in this word, so you skip it. Hudan. That was lesson 8. So that's good enough, I guess, for today. I will see you guys next time, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.